riding in the train that goes around the park.
The Disney Railroad.
The Disney Railroad.
Okay.
And the train is over here, but here
Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world,
Okay.
the age of the dinosaurs, before returning to Main Street. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting off. For those of you continuing, passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventure. Natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Fully seated. Parents, please make sure your little ones stay seated. Thank you.
To take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. If you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. Gliding room for guests that want to board the train, please. Back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.